Good afternoon, everyone. Eric here from Nomadic Fanatic. Thanks again for joining me from Kansas City here. Yeah, I'm sitting on a couch outside. There's a story behind this. It's a cool story. Yeah, so in my last video, guys, I left you with the demolition going on inside my Class C RV over there. We tore up the dinette, we pulled up all the carpet and the platforms, and my buddy Robert fixed the water pump and the water tank in different positions, rearranged the fuse box and electrical, and we were going to build a couch. However, as you can see, I'm sitting in a couch. Actually got really lucky on Marketplace. I found this couch for sale being scrapped out of a Class A RV for 200 bucks. It's an actual RV jackknife sofa. That's what it was built for, was RVs. It is incredibly comfortable. It should also look kind of familiar, even though it's got this nice aftermarket sofa cover on it, but this is exactly what I ended up doing in Yoda, my other Class C RV. Although I had it up against the cab, I got one of these used and hid everything underneath it. Now the cool thing about this, I can't do it one-handed, but if I have a visitor, this pops out, lays flat. It's a wall hugger, so this is up against the wall, turns into a bed. I have a twin bed right there to sleep one more person if needed. Otherwise, it gives me room for a kitty here and a kitty here. I can literally hang out with my kitties and watch TV in the RV. Little bit of bad planning on my part though, because I didn't measure first. Well, actually, I didn't measure at all. We're gonna make it work today though. It's going to fit. That's not all, because he's scrapping out the Class A. We got to go through some of his other stuff, and I found something else that I'm gonna use for 20 bucks. Yeah, got this little table. I didn't quite know how I was going to build a table with like what kind of style I was gonna do or anything, but got this for 20 bucks, and on the back, it's got that clamp right there, which came with the tubing right here for the table, and even got the floor mount. So this can be mounted almost completely flush with the floor, with a hole in the floor, and bolted to the floor, and then you can still walk over it when I don't want to use the table and store it. So, yeah. Alright, Terry, you checking it out? Well, that escalated quickly, guys. It does not fit as I had hoped. Robert was right. You'll notice a hole there. The furnace has to go because this particular couch, the metal frame that it's built on, is not removable. So we're off. We were only really off by like 3 inches, but I removed my furnace in my other RV. Don't really need it because I've got a catalytic heater and an electric heat, and I'm gonna save it because it still works. Possibly install it later on down the road, but for right now, it's summertime, so I don't have to worry about that right now. So, furnace is gone. Robert built me a little patch. I'm gonna show you what the outside looks like. There's the furnace. What a waste of power it really is as far as DC power. But I just got back from Home Depot in the lifted Tater Tot, and man, that thing's fun to drive. And you would never know that I don't have a furnace. Because look, I have the furnace plate there. He even made me a piece of plastic and painted it black behind this, so the bugs and wasps and stuff can't get in. And that cap I got at Home Depot, that was for the propane line, so now I can turn the propane back on in the RV. Yeah. Alright, well the good news is the couch is in. Technically, Robert's got to drill a new hole because I made him completely, for the second time, put the fuse box in a different place. It's going to be in this void right here where hopefully I can have a little console with an outlet or something. A little spot to put some food or set a laptop on or something. But the couch is in and it fits. Just got to drill another hole. Robert loves all the extra work I make him do.
Good times.
Yeah. Alright, fuse box relocated, drilled, hooked back up. by the way. It's in bed mode. I think they call this a short twin. So it's as wide as a twin, but a little bit shorter in length. But anyway, there's what it looks like as bed, and there's what it looks like in couch mode. Yeah. Now we got it bolted to the floor. Got Tara Bear behind me, checking things out, sniffing things out. Got Opie Dopes right here, cuddling, checking everything out next to Dad. Yeah, we never had this, did we? We didn't have this in the chair. Now we can all be family on the couch. Yeah. Tara, I got room over here, too. She wants to give cat butt. Oh, I did it for you. I did it for Jules, okay? Okay. Love you, Tater. There's room over here, too, if you want your own side. You could have your own side. If you wanted your own side, you could have it. It's a big couch. Yeah. Okay. Man, I feel bad, guys. These two sweet babies have waited their entire lives for this couch. And Dad took so long. I am so sorry. I'm gonna make it up to you, Tara. Opie. I'm so sorry. I hope you enjoy this. Oh my gosh. They're in heaven. Gonna take a break from the couch. We still need to mount it and change a few. I tried to put some water in the tank and the input is not working. It will not allow water to make that turn. So, gonna take a break from that. This is a mess. This is literally a mess, guys. Here in the corner where my camping chair is at, that's where the TV is gonna be here. And something else was gonna go here. Well, that something else needs to be something very specific. So I got some measurements. And I want it to be 36 inches across by about 30 tall. And luckily, there in Kansas, there's an IKEA. I had my first IKEA experience, and right off the bat, walked into like the first aisle there where the furniture was at and found exactly what I was looking for. But we got to put it together first. Yeah, it's currently in pieces here on Robert's floor. But this is the one. So now we just got to put it together. Look at this, we're starting to have a dresser here, guys. Starting to look good. All right, dresser's put together. Last step is to put these drawers together. Just gotta put the rails on, then we'll fit it in the RV. All right, check it out, we got a dresser. And it actually works and opens and closes and it's the right size. Let's go see how it fits in the RV. Opie, what do you think? It's like we planned it, huh, Opie? Fits really well. Now we just gotta mount a TV right there. And I'll get my straps, which will keep these from opening. Those arrive tomorrow. They go on the front here. Because this is not meant for an RV, obviously, but you know what? That fits in the space really, really well. All right, you're getting the step-by-step here. I have secured it with brackets on the bottom and brackets all the way around to the wall. Not real worried about those because that's where the sound bar is gonna go. There's what the sound bar is gonna look like there. I love my Sony sound. I gotta find a spot for the subwoofer also. Look how perfectly that fits, guys. You'd think I'm lucky, but a little bit of planning involved here. I am definitely customizing this RV. All right, so Robert just got done making me a little bracket for the TV. Heck yeah, it's gonna be custom. Custom bracket. You happy boy, Opie? Him's a happy boy. Yeah, this is great. I cannot tell you how great this is. It makes so much more sense to have customized the RV. I did get the brackets, well, the little locking gate clasps. Otherwise, these would open up on the road. So you just go like this, fold them down. Hopefully that won't make a whole lot of noise while I'm driving, but you gotta have something, and this is the best and easiest and cheapest way to do it. Also, something I didn't think about, you know, just simply having all this extra storage. Because, I mean, that's all storage that I didn't have in the previous configuration. There was a one-person chair right there, and over here was the dinette where sometimes I would throw a few things on the cushions and stuff or on the table, but when I had to leave, all that stuff had to find a home. Now I have 3 huge drawers for more organized storage, which is going to make the main area here look a lot more organized and comfortable on the road. So, I love that look. Believe me, I'm already making the most of the storage. It's great. It's great just having a catch-all for everything, cameras and batteries and stuff, and And yeah, oh, Tara, you pooping? Looks like Tara's pooping. Man, give me some privacy, Dad. I'm pooping in the automatic litter box. Okay. I'm gonna take a pause break from RV work, and we're gonna get back to this in a future video here coming up. But I need a little break. Actually, the main thing going on is my black tank under the toilet is full. We need to go to a dump station, and I cannot access Robert's septic here on the property because it's a little bit uphill and too far away. So I'm gonna kind of pack everything up and organize it, and the kitties and I are gonna go camping. We're gonna go find the nearest pay campground here where we can dump the tanks and then stay the night and just kind of get a little nature reset with the kitties. I think Opie needs the reset. Yes, Hims does. We got to go test everything out. So thanks for joining me, guys. We have more to come here from Missouri. I'll see you in a couple days. From Opie and I, have a good night, guys.